Have you made a sheet pan dinner yet? I like to bring some of the ease of summer into my kitchen using some of my garden tomatoes, some easy spinach from the grocery store, garlic, oregano, and a nice simple can of artichokes to make a sheet pan dinner. Sheet pan dinners became popular in 2009 according to the New York Times, and the most popular times to use sheet pans to cook is Thanksgiving and Christmas, like the holidays, when you're so freaking busy. I like a sheet pan dinner because it brings the ease of summer into my kitchen. In fact, I cook a lot of things on one cast iron pan on the barbecue all summer too. Who doesn't love one pot cooking? The concept is to get your ingredients and pop it all on a sheet pan and bake them in the oven. This recipe is from my Mindless to Mindful collection, which comes with my Mindless to Mindful course. So I'm just getting some of my ingredients prepped and ready to go because you want to marinate those chicken breasts for at least 30 minutes or up to a day. I start with 3 chicken breasts and I split them lengthwise in half so that they get lots of flavor. Generously sprinkle with salt. I love salt. I'm not a pepper fan, but my family is. So we're gonna put on some pepper, juice of half a lemon. Let's keep that seed in there. Oh yeah, okay. Fresh chopped oregano. Usually I put it in at the end. This time I'm gonna put it in here. Can't forget some garlic. I could eat garlic on absolutely anything. Okay, maybe not absolutely anything. I don't want garlic on my apple pie. I'm putting in 2 big cloves. You can do you. I just love them. They're fresh and juicy. I just got them from my friend's farm. They're just dripping. Oh, so good. And I don't throw all of this stuff out. Like, I make sure I use every bit of that garlic bulb, and even the big bits go on in there, like everything. Give that a little toss. So this is gonna go in the fridge for 30 minutes. When you sign up for my course, I give you a collection of recipes just to get you experimenting with food, feeling a little more at home in the kitchen, because cooking brings connection, not just to other people, but to yourself. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare my pan. So I've got parchment paper, set on my sheet pan, cookie pan, whatever you wanna call it, and I'm gonna set my oven to 350. All right. Spread your chicken out on the pan. Gosh, this doesn't look like enough. I've got some hungry people. The beauty of a sheet pan dinner is it's so easy. So you can use canned tomatoes. I would get rid of some of the liquid. I've used tomatoes from my garden. I'm just gonna throw some spinach on top. Oh, and cutting the chicken breasts smaller helps them cook quicker too. Taking my artichoke hearts, and you can use frozen. I know some people in the wellness circles get worried about canned food. You do you. So I'm gonna pop on my artichoke hearts. I think I'm gonna just pop a little more salt on there, and I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. I like to use my hands. I do get messy with my food, as you can see. I'll probably get crafty next time and lay the chicken right on top of all the veggies. And there we go. This guy is going into my oven. See you in a minute. I do get in and stir this a little bit. Got some roasted garlic here for another dish. You know, just mix it up a little bit. And pop a little bit of feta on there and put it back in the oven. Let it all melt. Super easy, delicious. Top with feta. Serve with some orzo, a little extra cheese. Any weeknight.